Hello everyone. So today I am here to tell you about the 5 tips donating your car to the charity. Number 1 is donate directly to a charity. Number 1 is the way to a car is find an organization that can be used the vehicle in their program, says Daniel Broadshev, president and founder Charity Watchdog group that help donors to make your informed decisions. For example, he says Meals on Wheels might use the vehicle to deliver food, a local senior center might it to drive patient to be a doctor of appointments, or a vocations of the school might use to be a teach student how to fix car. Going this route offer two benefits. You may be able to get a bigger income tax deduction. Broadshev says that you know that the organization will be getting a maximum benefit from your donations. Number 2 is cut out the middleman. Steer clear to the third party group that the aggressively advised car donation program expert want. Middlemen often end up keeping large chunk of the process for the car sales, says Sandra Minette, vice president of marketing for Charity Navigators and non-profit Charity Aviator, in a fact of report of US Journal. According office revealed the many donates cars sold chiefly to auction of these third party group after advertising and administration tolling expense are deducted, and charity could get a little as $25, so that it's going to be take little bit of a lag what minute says. Number 3 is make sure that the organization has a reputation. Check the charity of the same. Are you donating money to be a non-profit? First, make sure that the group is a 501c3 organization that be donation tax deducted. You can be search the IRS website to find out. Second, check the charity track according to the Better Business Bureau. Are through the government agency registers charity in state, usually either the authority, generally secret of state. Also, organizations such as GuideStar, Charity Watch and Charity Navigators, non-profits based on a variety of factors such as transparency and expansive openly closely money for sales goes to the sport on or talk choice religious group. The organization which has raised millions of the dollars through catches radio ads also had to be a $65,000 fine in Oregon for not telling donors that the free vacations they are promised actually was the timeshare acquirement tool, meaning the car, and the car donor sets through a presentation designs and to get them a buy vacation time sales. Now the presentation during a 2 nights hotel stay in USA city, and the website says that the vacation vouchers offered by the third party complaints will be a forward to the third parties. Number 4 is transfer the car properly. Before you part with the company or a car, Better Business Bureau recommend you snap a photo of the vehicle of the records. When it's to be time actually hand to the car over, make sure that the little title transformed from your name of the charity. Broadshev says this because of the unknowing give your car to scam artist or a less than responsible charity in the title in your name, it could be cause trouble for down the road. It is important to notify your car insurance company that your donation right when you are replenished. The title says Brian Ross from a ensure agent misery at the point, company will cancel the policy. Number 5, know the tax rule for the car donation. The IRS impose strict rules about the amount you can be deduct on your federal income state for donating a car, as well as the documentations required. You will not to be get the charity explaining intent used for the card. The charity sounded the money of received. The IRS outline, which has been a guide to be tax or car donation, carefully how to value your donate car or tax return minimum says it's a IRS send and the car's donation closely, and red flags could be on an audit. And finally, if you don't go through that hassle of finding reputed charity, then you will accept your car, consider selling car yourself, donating your money, and the brochures say if you do that, a lot of money would be go the charity, he says. Thank you for watching this video for the donating the car. Thank you.